Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dryer door handle, open the door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the inner and outer door panels. Carefully separate the panels and pull the handle retaining tabs up to release the old handle, if still intact. Install the new door handle by inserting it into the panel and snapping it into place. Join the inner and outer door panels together and replace the screws.